The most important thing to pay attention to right now is anything that has to do with inflation. The market is trying to figure out what the new Fed chair ultimately is going to do, and that is on the forefront of everyone's mind. Now, this week, we unfortunately saw the memorandum of understanding fall apart with Iran, and we are once again firing missiles back and forth at one another, and this has sent the price of oil over $80 a barrel. That is a big inflationary pressure, and it is certainly a cause for concern. And in fact, going into today's CPI print, the market had actually priced in about a 50% chance that we were going to see a rate hike next week. Now, today's CPI print came in much better than expected. The market was expecting a 0.1% decrease month over month, and what we actually got was a 0.4% decrease month over month, which is much better. And year over year, the market was thinking we'd get about 3.8%, but we actually got 3.5%. So inflation is dropping, but at the same point in time, we're seeing inflationary pressures creep up with everything that's going on with Iran. But right now, the market is basically saying next week, when we get our rate decision, there's about an 85% chance that rates are going to stay the same, which is a big change from where we were yesterday, and it is a big positive for the overall market. If we can figure out what's going on with Iran and the price of oil can once again fall back down, it looks like inflation is coming down elsewhere in the market, which is a huge positive sign because we were just talking about multiple rate hikes a few weeks ago. And if that story changes, that could certainly be a big tailwind for the market moving forward through the rest of the year. We will absolutely keep you posted because this is arguably the most important thing to pay attention to moving forward.